Meet Ninja Tables, the smartest WordPress table builder that makes data look dynamic and powerful in your website. No matter what you build, be it pricing table, comparison table, or sports table, build, customize, and display your data in minutes. But why Ninja Tables? Because Ninja Tables is built for simplicity and speed. Create pricing or comparison tables, Amazon style product listings, or even directories. It's fast loading, even with thousands of rows or massive datasets, and its clean, sales focused design keeps your table engaging, organized, and ready to impress on any device. Building a table? You've got options. Choose the simple drag and drop mode when you want something quick and intuitive. For deeper customization, advanced mode lets you fine tune every detail your way. Visuals matter too. Go beyond plain text by adding images, videos, or icons directly inside your table. Use conditional formatting to highlight key data points and customize every detail with custom CSS or pre-built templates that make your table stand out. When your data needs to stay alive, Ninja Tables keeps it effortless. Auto-sync with Google Sheets, pull dynamic content from WP posts, or connect with Fluent Forms to display real-time form entries right inside your tables. Selling online? With the FluentCart table feature, effortlessly create product tables to display your products from FluentCart in a searchable, sortable layout. Ninja Tables also works seamlessly with WooCommerce, letting you create filterable product tables that boost sales. Gain deeper customer insights by using the WooCommerce Reviews feature to display all your product feedback in sortable, customized table. And Ninja Charts turns your tables into interactive, auto-updating charts that bring your data to life. So whether you're selling products, showing stats, or managing info, Ninja Tables makes it all simple, sleek, and fast. No code, no clutter. Just clean, powerful data display that works. Give your data the upgrade it deserves with Ninja Tables.